make you my protege. Crossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. But you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that note. I'm about to drop in the few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
No, on the ground, oh, yeah. But I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all, yeah. But my money real, that you do. Oh, yeah, so I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all, oh. I told her I got
this bitch like I never left. Stand for some shit that you never read. Passing through stages in life, through the ups and the downs, like it's all just another test. Live by the rules like a fucking ref. I got respect in 100 sets. Too many chains need another chest. Playing no games if it wasn't chess. Come from that cloth that you couldn't stretch. Come from that circle you couldn't test. Heavily pressured and under stress, even though niggas ain't sure we was a mess. Honest attempt, blame to the left. Judge a young nigga by their dress. Left us no option, what they expect? Only thing we knew for sure is the maintenance set. Fuck living basic, I'm taking risks. Fuck what they saying, I'm saying this. Don't waste your testament, don't make you rich, it don't mean nothing, so fuck them, let's make a grip. Double up, triple up, make assists. Ballin' so hard you can pay a bitch. Link to the lake if they wanna fish. Make sure them niggas around you stick to the script. It should be written in stone. You should come visit my song. Don't take my word, double check all of my flows. Ask them how hustle got on, but fuck what you heard. This for who walk down that road. Sold everything but they sold. Third off the curb. Real niggas rich as you nerds. Address to whom and make it. Look, lot of niggas feel what I want. Lot of niggas fold, but I cope. Lot of niggas gone, but I'm home. Lot of niggas off, but I'm on. Lot of niggas lost on this road. Couple niggas gave up they goal. Gang of niggas traded they soul. With me, I'm standing on 10 toes. Looking out my Benz window. Wonder where my friends all go. Scared to give my heart to this girl. Paranoid she gon' leave if my hands get low. Knowing that this game to be played, but I'm knowing that this game to be changed. I should be afraid of afraid. I'm just trying to live up to the meaning of my name. I'm just trying to live up to the niggas in my gang. I'm just trying to live up to my moment on the stage. I'm just trying to live up to the truth of my pain and the power that it gave me on the youth for today. I put a coupe in a safe, and I shoot from the waist. My time is money, and I ain't got a second for you flukes and you fakes.
How do you live with my walls? How do you live with my niggas? How do you live with my brother? How do they live with my niggas? Yeah. How do you live with my walls? How do you live with my niggas? How do you live with my brother? How do they live with my niggas? Yeah.
Really taking trips more than often this month. When I call, they pulling up 2, 3 stream up. You ain't doing enough for the clan. How I feel if I gotta sit it down. How the fam gon' feel? 120 in a euro, one hand on the wheel. I was just broke, ran through a $250,000. They leave him still here. Shed tears for the dead. Cubes in my daughter chest, she don't even wear. Pop my little brother up, you know we took it there. Real nigga telling on me, only thing that I fear. Yeah, only thing that I fear. Real nigga telling on me, only thing that I fear. A lot of niggas queers, a lot of dope in the air. A lot of niggas queers, a lot of dope in the air. Styrofoam contaminated, got a nigga meditating. Yeah, I said it, got a nigga meditating. I can't even eat, listen medicated. I can't even sleep, listen medicated. I've been on my feet, chasing check at the check, nigga, wig at the wig.
Good morning.
I can't even eat, listen medicated. I can't even sleep.
Back at it. Another day. A little recap from yesterday. Alright, anticipating we would trade down into this 5-minute imbalance after getting that shift in market structure higher on the 1 minute. This is after we cleared those relatively equal lows. on the 4 hour plus the relative equal lows here. Trade down into that 4 hour imbalance. Purchase sell side liquidity. Got displacement to the upside. And then we retrace down into that 4 hour imbalance again this morning. There in London session. And then now we're kind of just chilling here. Right? We have this 4 hour SIBI here with some buy side liquidity. I can see us drawing up into. And let's start back from the top. Still inside that weekly imbalance. Right, today is Thursday. Alright, today's Thursday. See if we can set up the opposite range of the week. Alright, relatively equal highs up here. No daily inefficiencies till we get down here. September 12th. We do have a little shift in market structure here. Traded up into it, right? Then traded down to that 4 hour. And then now we're kind of just resting here. You know, I would anticipate this 4 hour busy gets respected, right? We keep working our way up higher. If not, and we start showing, you know, some displacement past this 4 hour imbalance and not respecting it. Got some relative equal lows down here. That we can aim for, but and just follow that order flow, and we keep respecting busies, right? Until we don't. This is looking solid here. Another shift in market structure. There might be a small little fair value gap right there. I think so. Yeah, small little fair value gap. Only about 2 ticks. Alright, got that shift in market structure there. 15-minute, respecting that so far. Right, until we take the short-term low here. Alright, also purchasing the minor little sell side liquidity underneath that low. Alright, also have that 15-minute imbalance. So let's see if we can get a shift in market structure inside of there and kind of keep the ball rolling. Alright, so we gotta watch this short-term low here, which is this low. Right, that's the 15-minute short-term low. So just gotta be wary of that. About 8 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes. Alright, we also have news at 10 a.m. So that should be interesting. It's also day before NFP, so being wary of that, right? Might not have the cleanest opportunities, right? High probability of getting hurt on these kind of days, right? Day before NFP, right? So it's less than ideal. Keeping that in mind, right? Less than ideal price action usually. So, you know, just gotta make sure that stay very disciplined and very patient.
on top, so they throw rocks and shit. Never was really with the talking shit. Me, I just went and got a pot to piss. Upgrade diamonds on my watch and shit. Pictures on the wall at my offices. AC coded in my Compton bitch. Talking that, you don't even need a condom shit. Look, I'm really on some baller shit. On some rich nigga, I ain't gotta call you shit. On some fuck with me if you loyal shit. Everybody in my circle gets spoiled shit. Really started in the soil shit. Crowns on the wrist, that's real shit.
I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone that they don't forget us. I'm just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas. I just hope when we gone
Check it out.
that they don't forget us.
Look, we just sitting here trying to win. Drop 20 bands, you can fly us in. Turn down deals, they gon' try again. We need a partnership, but they don't sign in here. You don't see the type of cars we in. You don't see the shows and the lines for them. You don't know the spots we residing in. Nigga, we straight with no, ain't no enticing them. Look at my life, my friend. I got the right to win. I put the grinding in, even though them nights when them lights was dim. When my hope was low, I found light within. I know it's ups and downs, so every loss I took, I knew to strike again. And I be saying a lot. That's a priceless gem. And if we live in a hell, is it alright to sin? I had a goal to chase, a life to live. I try to wash my hands, put me right back in.
Just sitting around here smoking weed with my niggas.
All right, inside that 15-minute imbalance, inside that 1 hour imbalance, it appears we're doing a little shift in market structure. Let's see if we can leave this busy open, all right, or if we close that completely in.
Jealous, gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soul,
Okay, completely close it in.
feeling connected to God.
Completely fine with that.
Stepping on roaches.
All right, we don't have any short-term highs or lows nearby on the 2-minute.
Kinda like Moses, like somebody chose us. Sweat on my shoulder, I feel these emotions, but still I keep going. I've been to a poet, I've been through the
All right, so
motions.
just stay patient.
Feeling heroic.
Wait, we also got news at 10 a.m. that we got to be mindful of. Usually the setup happens either right before the news, right, or right after. Alright, they usually use the news as entry, or they use it as like the mitigation to get the displacement. Now we're getting a 2-minute shift to market structure. Alright, possibly even a 3-minute as well. Taking out the short-term high. Yeah, range is looking pretty wide here.
Is contagious. Third generation South Central gangbangers that live long enough to see it change. Think it's time we make arrangements. Finally wiggle out that maze. Find me out in different places. And the spoke by the door, this the infiltration. Double back dressed in blue laces. Flashback on that shootout at the beach, 20 deep. You tried to squeeze, your gun jammed, and they released. Blood on your tee. How many stains I see through?
Alright, we're looking at 8.5 handles here.
So I made her switch seats. Driving there. Police chopper here flying there. Really not too spooked, calmly ask me, am I dying now? All I know is keep you calm and collected. Cracking jokes like, nigga, now you gonna be finally respected. See your blood leaking. Got my foot
See if we can get above this short-term 5-minute high here. Right before the news. And create a little 5-minute imbalance. And then get a 1-minute shift to mark structure inside of there.
Every night I get on my knees and pray that I will go down. Yeah, I will go down. Yeah.
Legendary moves, leader of my crew. Heavy is the head that wear the crown, that shit true. Do it like Nip Hustle, that's to fill some big shoes. And what good is excuses when the fucking wrist do? Smoking all this Sindo, run away from my pain, rosemary on my temples. Heard that's good for migraines, solo in my benzo. Exit off the highway, solitary thoughts like how to reinvest my side chain.
I'm tryna go down, down as a grave. Every night I get on my knees and pray that I will go down. Yeah, that I will go down. Yeah, I'm tryna go down, down as a lich. Every night I aim, God for the
All right, possibly getting that 5-minute shift to market structure. All right, we're gonna want to see a strong closure on this 5-minute candle, preferably above these candles highs. This candle's high and this candle's low. Got about 30 seconds for the news drops right now. Here we go here.
say this time, won't be like the last time, But this time, I'ma do it like my last time. I'ma go hard, my nigga. Put my name in the stars, my nigga. I gotta pray to God, my nigga.
Building up some buy side liquidity with this Wix high, relatively equal to the 830 news high. We didn't quite get down into that 3-minute imbalance just yet. Also overlapping almost perfectly with the 5-minute imbalance.
Heard of us, 6 souls is murderers. You still serving clubs? Jealous nigga, you broke as fuck. Yo, bitch on my nuts. Spilling Patron out my cup, she can't get enough. Buffing me down as I puff on the finest kush. They say I be doing too much, I just do my stuff. Yeah, I just do my stuff. Hustle, blue laces, shield cases, check bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we getting paid, bitch. Blue laces, shield cases, catch bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we getting paid, get paid, get paid, get paid, get paid. We the best music. DJ Khaled. You keep taking me higher and higher. Don't you know that the devil is a liar? I know they'd rather see me down, put my soul in the fire. But we keep going higher.
So we cleared above that initial news high from 830. Right, that buy side liquidity right there. Very nice. We didn't retrace down into any of the fair value gaps. Right, but overall direction, right, is there. Definitely, most definitely. Right, coming out of that 1 hour imbalance after retracing from that 4 hour imbalance. All right, 15-minute still kept bullish structure as well. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Clean up some of this liquidity and such.
Fuck niggas always gotta learn the hard way. We gon' tape it off if we ball play. Homies hit the lights, that's a car chase. Looking back at my life, make my heart race. Dance with the devil and test all faith. I was thinking chess moves, but it was God.
All right, we just pushed some more buy side liquidity inside this 15-minute imbalance.
No shame, I peep game and it's all fake. South Central
Very nice. Also overlaps with the 1 hour imbalance. Alright. But what I really want to see us draw to is this 4 hour, or this 1 hour single high inside this imbalance. Right, that seems like a very obvious next point to draw up into. Regardless if this is going to hold or not, we should get up here. Right, and in a bullish case, which I still think we are, on the 4 hour, right, want to see this get traded to and through. Right, to and through. If we just peak above here and get a shift to market structure, right, not ideal for the longs, right, and we'll probably see more bearish structure if this 4 hour CB holds. Alright, that's what my mindset is kind of around.
I don't give a fuck where you niggas from. Throw you in your mouth, go and get a gun. Then you slumped on the scene, that's a hit and run. Oh, y'all bloods now, oh, y'all crips now. Fuck it, I'm big draws, I'm Jake Prince now. A frontline wars we can't fix now. Bought latex gloves, that's no prince now. If you broke bread, you got chip now. Couple things you can't buy inside this town. Loyalty, love, and respect. The niggas will extort you out your check. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Look, I don't give a fuck how you niggas feel. I can tell a fake, I can tell a real. Got a purple heart out the battlefield. Now watch me levitate to 100 mil. Fuck a pound, nigga, fuck a pill. I negotiate a better deal. Fuck around, nigga, yes I will. Take a life or I take a ill. I'm even out the playing field. Niggas wasn't playing fair. I'm solo, still made it here. Rich, real nigga, ass your
I'm coming straight off the slump. A crazy motherfucker named Nipsey. I'm turned up cause I grew up in the 60s. Caution to you rap niggas trying to diss me. I go hard, that's why your bitch wanna flip me. Big guns, nigga turn rivals into rosaries, extended clips. I give a fuck who you supposed to be. Straight off the block, I sold dope to buy groceries. Now it's rap money, no advances, all royalties. You broke, nigga, you can follow me. It's fuck bitches, get money, keep some hollow heads logically. And I'm for where homicide boost the economy. Pay taxes to these corners and putting in work as a policy. It's white chalk on the corners. It's yellow tape on the gates.
The only thing I would be paying attention to, right, is we come back down here, get another shift in market structure inside of this area, right where the 5-minute imbalance is, as well as creating this 15-minute possible imbalance. Right, possibly creating this 15-minute imbalance. Right, just get a retracement down, get a shift in market structure up, aiming for higher prices like this single high inside this imbalance. Alright, that's buy side liquidity. That's kind of what I'm eyeing. Right, so if we create this fair value gap here, alright, next candle forms, leaves, and creates this busy, potential busy. I'll be looking for us to trade back down in there, get a shift in market structure, aiming for this buy side liquidity here.
Listening to music at the Mayan ruins. True devotion on the bluest ocean. Cruising. My cultural influence, even revolution. I'm integrated vertically, y'all niggas blew it. They tell me hustle, dumb it down, you might confuse them. This ain't that weirdo rap you motherfuckers used to. your bed, you gon' lay in it. Do your thing, just be safe with it. Triple bunks in the state prison. Blue laces in my blue chucks. I ain't never gave 2 bucks. BT, I chunked the hood up. Asking if that nigga nip hood, what? Like I wouldn't take it to the back with you. Same nigga walking track with you. Same nigga shot a strap with you. Same nigga bought a sack with you. 19 touching 2 birds. Alpina's off a few swerves. Gray leather in my white Lincoln. Shit smelling like a new purse. 2 C's on my bitch shit. My money rising like Bisquick. 6 words help you get this. Rich rapper on some crib shit. I pray for blessings as a young nigga, not to learn the hard lessons of a drug dealer. Triple life with a gang enhancement. The judge triple white and he hates your blackness. He slammed the gavel with a racist passion. Got you waiting on the pills, but your patience passing. And all you got to offer is a fight. It's too late to run to Christ once you caught up in this life, love. Don't cry tears, they don't fly here. And if you don't die here, you're supposed to fly Lears. 365 here is like a dog year. No wonder why these niggas 20 and got white hairs. Stressing like they 40 and some change. Slowly in this game, all my homies is in pain. And Brody is the slang, but it don't mean he your brother. It don't mean you can trust him. It don't mean that he love you. And we was raised wrong, but we stayed strong. And when we kept it real, we got faked on. And when we showed up, we got flaked on. But why them niggas story getting cake homes? I bet my life I'm a dice shaker. Electric lights on a skyscraper. It's up and downs for a real nigga. But you'll be lame all your life, hater. Mac 10 in my black Benz. Show me signals of betrayal, can't be back friends. Long flights get my mind right. Victory to me is when you spend your time right. Victory to me is when you get your grind right. Victory to me is when you get your moms right. Niggas got this shit twisted like Jean-Michel Basquiat destroyed his pictures. Self-inflicted homicide, don't pull the trigger. I feel like I got to tell you, you got something to contribute. Regardless what you into, regardless what you been through, I feel like I got to tell you, you got something to contribute. Yeah, me, I'm getting back rubs from these leather seats. Yeah. Negotiated equity positions you'll never be. Nigga. Rap sheet full of felonies. Yeah. Status symbol on my set of keys. They say I was selling dreams. Back to the brick wall, I'm in hella trees. Visualizing hella cheese, you can smell a weed. Niggas doubt pessimism ain't affecting me. Fuel to the fire, took it higher than they ever seen. Frequent flights sink like 7 C's. Shopping spree, spend about 11 G's. Eyes bloodshot, I don't never sleep. My niggas act on instinct, we don't never think. When confronted with a problem, we don't never flee. We connected at the bottom like the letter V. So accustomed to the pop, we don't even blink when them shots go off. Get the Glock show off. Yellow tape a nigga equal up to hate a nigga. Nothing major, nigga, just a demonstration, nigga. Within the matrix, nigga, I drew illustrations with him. Words that is, for sure that is. Look, that nigga got his off the curb, that is. So how the fuck is nigga so concerned with his? I be baffled by the fact when niggas burn their bridge and try to double back like, what the fuck is that like? Niggas want this rap like, way too bad.
Just fine. And we ain't finna wait no more, so don't waste my time. Remember when we had no way, but we'll be okay for now. We'll be okay for now, and here on now.
Now you up, huh? Make it hard to trust, huh? Got you fucked up, saying it was luck, huh? Pulling up, huh? Limo tint the trucks, huh? Open trust, huh? Then you fill them up, huh? Every time a nigga drop, it's real as fuck, huh? Every time you hit the road, you fill them up, huh? Whole city know that you became the one, huh? They seen it from the jump, huh? The pressure weigh a ton, huh? Especially where you come from. Every night, heavy price, but it's just the cloth you cut from. It's alright, it's just life if you want one. Learn to hold yourself down with a big gun. All these niggas playing tough, you gon' chip one. For these dollars a decade, you a risk one. Fuck it though, cause when you flat broke, you ain't nothing, bro. Seen a gang of rich niggas get comfortable. Then looking at they watch like where the fuck it go. Through my eyes I learned lessons like time is of the essence, and my grind got obsessive. Then my mind got restless, put myself in the game, but batteries so separate.
Alright, not gonna be looking for too much as we head later into the session, especially because we have the NFP tomorrow. But we are trading down into that 5-minute imbalance. There we go. Likes to see some highs and lows get formed inside this 5-minute imbalance now that we traded down into it.
Fuck where your hoes at, or where your roads at, where your backbone, nigga, where your code at, where your down since day one real bros at, where them stories that you telling unfold at, where your heart, nigga, where your soul at, we got old school ways we expose at, ain't no guarantees, but you know that, niggas die every day, can't control that, King Griffey throwback, nigga had to go left, musta popped 28 times cause it's 4 left, if it's about mine, ain't a nigga that I won't check, run through your hardest homeboy, you could go next, 85 cut dog, hustle at the Rolex, chain on my white tee, now you see the progress, stacked every chip on myself, time to collect, all money in, just imagine what I gross back, fuck where your hoes at, or where your roads at, where your backbone, nigga, where your code at, where your down since day one real bros at, where them stories that you telling unfold at, where your heart, nigga, where your soul at, we got old school ways we expose at, ain't no guarantees, but you know that, niggas die every day, can't control that. That's why I call my thing the marathon, because I'm not gonna lie and portray this ultimate poise like I've had it figured out. Nah, I just didn't quit. That's the only distinguishing quality from me and probably whoever else going through this or went through this or is gonna go through this, is that I ain't quit. I went through every emotion. I went through every emotion with trying to pursue what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And I think that what's gonna separate whoever's gonna try to go for something is that you ain't gonna quit. Unless, you know, you're gonna really take the stance if I'm gonna die behind what I'm getting at right now. Fuck where your hoes at, or where your roads at, where your backbone, nigga, where your code at, where your down since day one real bros at, where them stories that you telling unfold at, where your heart, nigga, where your soul at, we got old school ways we expose at, ain't no guarantees, but you know that, niggas die every day, can't control that. I think that our reaction to being disrespected, we have to reassess how we react. You know what I mean? I think that we've been known as hip hop to make songs, and that's a part of it. And then we gotta go a step further, because I think that it's like a disease in your body. Once you start giving it a treatment, it'll get immune to the treatment, and you gotta try something else to kill that disease. So I think protest music is important. I think that YG was a genius.
Right, completely filled in that potential Sibby. Right, that was possibly going to form after trading down to that 1 hour imbalance. That was a pretty quick 10 plus handle run.
Ain't no guarantees, but you know that niggas die every day, can't control that.
Super solid. Right, we didn't quite get our highs and lows. Right, we just kind of came out of there pretty quick.
chillin'. You make it from nothing, such a wonderful feeling. My clothes expensive, my hoes pillin'. My cars go fast, my pockets is fat. I take your bitch and we go shopping in Saks. I'm a popular Mac, never stop for them racks. Dipped a lot of them racks, why I fuck with this rap. Niggas hustling back, so they stuck in the set. Playing Russian roulette, me I'm puffing the best. I'm a fucking exec, money, power, respect. All my weapons is fresh, on the west I'm a rep. I'm the fucking connect, I can cut you a check. I can put you in the game, let you hustle the rest. Got a lust for success, you know it come with the stress. So we party every night, what the fuck you expect? Look, round, out of bounds, 40 cal, 30 grams. You make it from nothing, such a wonderful feeling. My clothes expensive, my hoes pillin'.
Start to lose friends when they notice you winning. They see that we winning. Start to lose friends when they notice you winning. They see that we winning. Never gonna lie, no broke ass bitch. Now one broke bitch gon' change. Mr. Right back and shit bright. Whip a ghost like a brick and back slide. Mr. LA, I just caught a lick. Dug it out the mud like a forklift. I went some ballin' ass blood, some cold crips. Don't get drugged out the club like a coke bitch. I turned it later in article. The nigga switched on me, it's like an audible. Dodging the fade, it ain't affordable. My pull-up game came with a yard. Stand up for certain. 40s with the 30s like it's Harlem, I'm burning. Cause niggas up in that late park.
We got London on the track.
I wanna beats, I wanna look good with my friends. I need my money, that don't never end. I wanna blow some bands, and still have some bands. I wanna be the motherfucking man. I wanna beats, I wanna look good with my friends. I need my money, that don't never end.
Alright, we want to see us get displacement above this short-term high here. Alright, keep working our way up higher. But other than that, that's about it for me. Alright, we saw this nice little reaction from this 2-minute, 3-minute imbalance. Super clean. And yeah, we got NFP tomorrow. So we shall see what it presents. But with that being said, appreciate everybody for tuning in. Catch you guys tomorrow.